Are you tired of setting goals, only to give up a few weeks later? You're not lazy. The problem isn't you, it's your system. Today, let's break down how to build habits that actually stick, based on James Clear's life-changing book, Atomic Habits. This isn't about motivation, it's about building a system that makes success inevitable. Most people start with what they want to achieve. I want to lose weight. I want to read more. But Atomic Habits flips this. Instead of focusing on goals, focus on the identity you want. Who do I want to become? Do you want to become someone who's healthy? Someone who's disciplined? A reader? A creator? Now align every small habit with that identity. Example, instead of saying, I want to read more, say I'm the kind of person who never misses a day without reading, even if it's just one page. Habits start with cues. If the cue isn't obvious, the habit never begins. You need to design your environment for success. Want to drink more water? Keep a water bottle on your desk. Want to work out more? Lay your gym clothes next to your bed. Want to stop scrolling on your phone? Charge it in another room. Your environment should work for you, not against you. Your brain loves rewards. That's why scrolling TikTok is easier than reading a book. To build better habits, you need to make them attractive and easy. Use temptation bundling. Pair something you want to do with something you should do. Like, I'll only watch Netflix while I'm on the treadmill. Start with habits so small you can't fail. Want to build a writing habit? Start with 1 sentence a day. Want to meditate? Start with 60 seconds. Small wins compound. The key is consistency, not intensity. If a habit feels good, you'll want to repeat it. Track your progress. Cross off days on a calendar. Use habit tracking apps. That little dopamine hit from seeing your streak grow? That's motivation in disguise. And if you miss a day, don't miss twice. Missing once is a mistake. Missing twice is a new habit forming in the wrong direction. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. They might not show results today, but stick with them. And in 6 months, your life will look totally different. So remember, don't aim for perfection. Aim for repetition. Don't wait for motivation. Build a system. Don't change everything. Just start with 1 small habit and let it grow. If you master your habits, you'll master your life.